In front of me is Motorola Edge 6th version, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then choose Consent, click at the top left corner and operate all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. When you finished, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then choose Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper, and last but not least, decide where. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!